It's Friday, and a package just came to the door. Sam, open the door and see what it is. Wow. What is that? Can you pick it up? It's so heavy.
Gotcha. Ellie, I got a picture.
Wow.
Can you open it?
Who's it from? Can you read the name?
It's called about this. She'll just give my packet of 80.
Wow. Okay, open it up. It's like a present.
Mama loves my pen. Hey, can you open it?
Hey, let me get your scissors.